Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A serene modern home seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring large glass doors that open to a well-designed Zen garden. The setting includes smooth stone pathways leading through meticulously arranged pebbles, lush greenery, and a tranquil pond, reflecting the surrounding nature. The garden is adorned with a variety of plants, including a small, sculptural tree, and naturally shaped rocks that enhance the landscape. The interior is visible through the glass, showcasing soft furnishings in muted tones of gray and beige, with a touch of elegance in artwork hung on the wall. A serene mid-century modern backyard oasis featuring a spacious wooden deck surrounded by lush greenery. The focal point is a vibrant vertical garden bursting with red, pink, and green foliage, creating a stunning backdrop against a sleek, dark wall. A cozy outdoor seating arrangement includes a large, comfortable gray sectional sofa adorned with red and gray cushions, paired with a stylish wooden coffee table. Soft sunlight cascades through the trees, illuminating the scene with warm, golden tones. Modern luxury home exterior at dusk, featuring sleek architecture with large glass panels and a cantilevered roof, surrounded by a lush, meticulously landscaped garden. The scene is illuminated by warm golden lights, creating a cozy atmosphere. Soft green grass contrasts with dark stone pathways leading to a stylish outdoor seating area with contemporary furniture. The greenery includes low shrubs and ornamental plants, with soft glowing lights integrated into the landscape design, accentuating the modern aesthetic. A modern outdoor living space that seamlessly blends with nature, showcasing a sleek design with a covered patio. The area features a mix of comfortable seating options, including gray outdoor sofas and a wooden coffee table surrounded by lush green lawns. The floor is adorned with square stone pavers that create a path through the vibrant grass. In the background, large glass walls reveal a stylish indoor living area, illuminated by warm ambient lighting. Surrounding plants and greenery enhance the serene atmosphere. Modern home with a sleek, minimalist design, featuring large glass windows and an inviting outdoor space. The scene is set during twilight, with warm golden lighting emanating from the interior, creating a cozy atmosphere. The exterior showcases a harmonious blend of concrete and wood materials, surrounded by lush greenery and contemporary landscaping. The colors emphasize earthy tones, complemented by vibrant accents from ornamental plants and furniture. Modern backyard scene featuring a contemporary two-story home with large glass windows and warm wooden accents. The setting is during twilight, with soft, ambient lighting illuminating the space. A cozy fire pit is at the center, surrounded by smooth gray stepping stones and pebble pathways. Lush greenery and neatly arranged potted plants create a tranquil atmosphere. The color palette includes rich browns, soft grays, and vibrant greens, complemented by flickering orange hues from the fire. Modern outdoor living space, open concept design, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor areas, featuring a serene water feature with gentle waterfall flowing into a small pond, surrounded by lush greenery and structured stone pathways. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing natural materials like wood and stone, with a warm color palette of earthy browns, soft grays, and touches of greenery. Cushioned seating areas with neutral-toned cushions invite relaxation. Tall bamboo and ornamental grasses frame the space, casting soft shadows. Modern architectural backyard scene during twilight, featuring a sleek, two-story house with large glass windows. The setting includes a beautifully landscaped garden with lush greenery, including bamboo and various shrubs. A central fire pit with a warm, flickering flame surrounded by smooth pebbles creates an inviting atmosphere. Comfortable seating areas consist of round, woven lounge chairs and textured gray cushions, arranged thoughtfully around the fire. The color palette is rich and calming, with deep greens, soft browns, and the warm glow of the fire contrasting with the cool tones of the house's exterior. A modern urban courtyard scene featuring a sleek, contemporary home with large glass windows and a blend of brick and timber materials. The setting is characterized by a serene outdoor lounge area furnished with plush cushions and a wooden coffee table. A water feature gently cascades into a small pool, reflecting the greenery surrounding it. Lush plants and trees frame the space, adding vibrant shades of green against the warm, natural tones of the wooden decking. Modern urban garden, featuring a contemporary patio with sleek, black furnishings, warm lighting from stylish pendant lamps, and an inviting seating area filled with textured cushions. A beautiful wooden deck leads to a pathway of gray stepping stones bordered by smooth pebbles and lush greenery, including small shrubs and flowering plants. The backdrop includes a two-story building with large glass windows, allowing natural light to illuminate the interior. The warm wood tones contrast with the dark walls, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. Japanese-inspired modern home with a seamless integration into nature, featuring a spacious wooden deck made of warm, rich-toned timber that extends over a tranquil pond adorned with lily pads. The exterior showcases bamboo accents that harmonize with the lush greenery surrounding the house. Large glass panels provide a glimpse into the cozy interior, where soft lighting creates an inviting ambience. The scene is set in the early morning with gentle mist, capturing a serene, hyper-realistic quality. colors are earthy with deep greens, warm browns, and soft neutrals, evoking a calm and soothing atmosphere. A contemporary outdoor living space at dusk, showcasing a modern concrete house with large glass windows revealing a cozy interior. The scene features a minimalist design aesthetic, integrating nature with stylish furnishings. Soft, warm lighting highlights the cozy ambience from the fireplace, casting gentle reflections on the tranquil black pool. Surrounding lush greenery includes tropical plants with deep greens, contrasting against the gray concrete.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.